Hello everyone, I am Saidit and welcome back to my channel Saidit. In today's video to discuss about the upcoming phone from the Realme GT line, which is a Realme GT Master Edition. Yes friends, there is going to be two new models in the GT lineup, which is a Realme GT Master Edition and another one is a Realme GT Master Exploration Edition. So there's two different Snapdragon processors, one with the Snapdragon 870 chipset and one with the Snapdragon 788G chipset. So in this video we are going to discuss about the Snapdragon 788G chipset. Let's see what are the specifications the 788G model has got. And this is going to be really interesting friends, because right now in the GT lineup there are plenty of other phones which are near to be launched in India, but these two phones are got launched in China right now. So maybe very soon, I'm not sure when we'll be getting this kind of launching happening in the India as well, but a lot of users are actually waiting to buy one of the GT series. But let's start with the basic specifications, which are about the build quality and the what will be the weight of the phone. The weight of the phone will be about 174 grams. So right now the Realme X1 Max is about 178 grams. So we are getting about 174 grams in the upcoming Realme GT Master Edition. That's another thing, slightly less weight, and it depends upon the color as well. I'm not sure why the color, maybe because of the different type of texture they are trying to use for this kind of new kind of design. That is what I am thinking. And regarding the display, so Super AMOLED 120 Hz 1000 inch brightness, 6.43 inches. It's exactly copy pasted from the Realme X1 Max. There's nothing much different in terms of the display screen size or anything. At least the Exploration Edition, it got a slightly big display, little bit, but not much, just a little bit big display is there. And this phone will be having the Snapdragon 778G processor. Yes, 778G processor. If this gets released in India, I think the price might be coming close to maybe 23,000 around, that kind of price, because right now we do have the iQOO Z3 with the 768G processor around 20,000 rupees. So that is what my expectations are from the Realme. If they decide to launch this model in India, this is what the pricing would be there, maybe close to 23,000 or 22,000 depending on the current version. That is what I'm trying to predict, and even on the market as well. So in this phone we'll be having the 64 megapixel camera, 64 megapixel 8 plus 2 megapixel camera, that's another thing. And front camera will be having the 32 megapixel lens as well, as you can see friends, that's another advantage. So right now we do have the loudspeaker, and there is a 3.5mm jack as well. There is no information about the stereo speakers. So usually if there is any stereo speakers they'll try to mention, but there is no information. But mostly I would say maybe it might have the stereo speaker, but 3.5mm jack is there. The Exploration Edition, I think it doesn't have the 3.5mm jack. Now in terms of the Wi-Fi, we are seeing the Wi-Fi 6 support as well, that's another thing. And Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity regarding this Master Edition, not bad. And regarding the battery, 4300 mAh of battery, and the charging speed is of 65 watts, 100% in 33 minutes. So charging speed is slightly, charging battery capacity is slightly less, as you can see friends, when compared with the current trend which is going on around 4500 mAh of battery capacity. Now we are seeing only 4300 mAh of battery capacity. That's quite less when compared with the normal phones. So maybe the Realme GT Master Edition may not have the curved display. So curved display will be present only for the Exploration model only. That is what my expectations are, not for the normal model. So normal model may not get the curved display. That is another thing I thought of just mentioning for you all in case if you are looking into it. So this is a new type of design friends they are trying to implement in the Realme GT model, as you can GT series. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to stay tuned for more updates regarding this all kind of upcoming mobile phones. So in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So the things which I'm really excited about the Realme GT Master Edition is only about the Snapdragon processor basically, because rest of the things are completely same. So there's nothing much excitement in the Realme GT Master Edition mainly. Even in the Realme GT as well, there's nothing much kind of excitement, nothing. So except the Snapdragon 778G, that is a slightly little bit kind of excitement, how will the performance of that processor. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, stay tuned. Bye.